Hi everyone, Network Guru here. Did you know you can unlock all CapCut Pro features for free without any watermarks on both your phone and computer? In this video I'll show you how to simple method to access every premium feature. Keep your videos in stunning 4K quality and even reduce lag while editing. The second method is my personal favorite, so stick around till the end. Let's jump right in. The first method is incredibly easy and requires no extra downloads. Just open CapCut on your device, create a new project and import videos. Apply any pro effect you like, captions, filters, audio, enhancements, you name it. Then maximize the video player, turn your volume to the max, and start a screen recording while playing the video from start to finish. Once done, stop the recording and save it to your device. If you experience lag, here's how to fix it. Update CapCut to the last version, close unnecessary background apps, free up storage space, low playback resolution in performance settings, and ensure your internet connection is stable. Now open CapCut again, import your recorded video, and adjust its size to fit the screen. If the quality drops slightly, enhance it by tweaking sharpness, brightness, contrast, and saturation. Just don't overdo it. Once satisfied, export your video in 4K with the highest frame rate for smooth playback and tap export. If screen recording isn't your thing, there is another way. For Android users, install your current CapCut version, search for an older APK online and install it. Older version often unlock pro features for free. For PC users, install your current version and download CapCut version 1.4.0.18a. It grants free access to all premium tools. Install it and you're all set. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.